Welcome to the Hagia Sophia, one of the world's most magnificent and historically significant buildings. Located in Istanbul, Turkey, this architectural marvel has stood the test of time, witnessing the rise and fall of empires. Originally built as a Christian basilica in the 6th century, the Hagia Sophia served as the cathedral of the Byzantine Empire. When the Ottoman Turks conquered Constantinople in 1453, they converted it into a mosque. For centuries, it was a symbol of both Christian and Islamic power. In recent times, it has been a museum, but in 2020, it was once again reopened as a mosque. The Hagia Sophia is renowned for its immense dome, which creates a sense of awe and wonder. Its architects skillfully combined elements of Roman, Byzantine, and Islamic architecture, resulting in a truly unique and breathtaking structure. The interior is adorned with exquisite mosaics and calligraphy, reflecting its rich history. Beyond its architectural significance, the Hagia Sophia holds immense cultural and religious value. It has been a symbol of unity and diversity and a testament to the enduring spirit of human creativity. Today, it continues to attract millions of visitors from around the world who come to experience its history and marvel at its beauty. Today, Hagia Sophia stands as a testament to the rich and diverse history of Istanbul. It is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and attracts millions of visitors each year, who marvel at its architectural splendor and historical significance. Whether you're interested in history, art, or religion, Hagia Sophia offers a glimpse into a world where cultures converge and history comes alive. The Hagia Sophia is more than just a building. It's a living testament to the past. Its story is one of faith, power, and resilience. Thank you for joining us on this journey through time.